Hi folks, I thought I'd do a very quick video on cleaning the white interior on my Model 3. There's a few videos online about this, and as you know, I'm quite into my car detailing, and I thought I would try a different product which I haven't used before on my driver's seat. So normally on my driver's seat I would just use a baby wipe, or sometimes I use a spritz of Built Hamber Surfex HD, which is a really good all-purpose cleaner, I should say. But what I'm going to do, I forgot that a long time ago I used to use these Dr. Leather wipes. So what I thought I'd try today is cleaning my driver's seat. Now this is, just so you can see, this is what my driver's seat looks like after about 2 weeks of wearing denim. So you can see there's an awful lot of dye transfer on this seat. Now they are very easy to clean, but if you are interested in a Model 3's white interior, maybe you're considering going for the white, I just sort of show you what you can expect. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I've masked this off, and I'm going to try one of these Dr. Leather wipes. So bear with me while we get one out. If we can get to them, I might have to take the old lid off. Let's just get in these. Let me just pause it for a sec. Okay, I've got a wipe, so Dr. Leather wipes. Let's just see how effective it is. So let's take this area here. I'm going to see if it's any better than a normal baby wipe. Let's try and get on the line so we can see what a difference it is. That was quite nice. And you can see that. Let's try and get right down here. Right, let's just wipe this off with a microfiber. Let's see. I am not seeing any better cleaning than with a normal baby wipe, actually. Let's just take this off so you can see the difference. You can see how well they do clean up again, but I'm not seeing any benefit to using one of those over a baby wipe. But anyway, that's just what I thought I'd show you today. So if you're interested in a white interior, you can see, yes, you do get a lot of denim transfer, but it is very easy to clean up. Until next time, thanks for watching.